Right.
I was like, how can I be stupid? I got my Walkman in my top pocket, my headphones going into my blazer sleeve. You think I'm resting my head on my hand now, fam? I'm listening to music. But you didn't know what I was doing. I'm on the ball like Patrick Ewing. You better not get out your chair, cause when you come back, you'll be sitting in the gum I'm chewing. I kept acting a fool till I left school with 1 GCSE. Screw it, hit the road. I left the road for my supporters, the show we love. Verse 2. Alright. Okay, Joseph Adanuga left school with 1 GCSE self-raising flour, 2 eggs and a ruler. I went home straight to the computer. My mum told me to turn it down. A couple years later, I'm in the jeweler, picking up stuff that I only dreamed about being able to afford. I bought my dad a brand new car, straight off the showroom floor. It weren't a Porsche, but it meant the same thing to him. Stop smiling, dad, jump in the thing, emotional. I won't cry, I'm singling. See, they wanna know how I'm on the way to a meal, but still, I keep it so real. Okay, I'm ready to answer the question. No deal, just me and Sam, that's a good team. Right now I'm living the hood dream. Me gets gigs and C repping the UK at the BET. And Tinky Strider once told me, skep to play the game but break the rules. Even if it's a fist fight, take a tool. Even if it's one per person, take it all. Cause nobody's praising, boy, better no forgetting off the ground. So I ain't jumping off my high horse anytime soon, cause it's just too far down. And I can hear man saying Skepta's gonna fall off. Oxymoron, I run up to the prime MC pitch and kick the ball off. What? It's it to the listeners wanna hear more of.
Pico, what are you kidding me?
I'll kick the door off, run up in the house like please forgive me if I hurt any children.
Have a
Can't take me for Paris Hilton. You better know I'm a Tottenham Temple soldier. Old type Mr. Wilson. Call me a Liverpool pauper. I specialise in Liverpool slaughter. And if you think you're better than me, then you ain't gonna taste like water. No matter how hard you try to, you can never make Duffy like I do. Anywhere you wanna hide, I'll find you. Do I have to remind you that I'm on a one-man thing? But I got a big family like Patel and Singh. So when I go make me a duppy, nobody knows who boyed up the tag.
what just happened?
So I told him ace of spades. He's got a rapid and gracious champagne like a man. Celebrating today. I like hip parade. I won't stop. I cleaned up the room and the mop. And now I got IBS on my intestines, feeling like it's tied in a knot. Tim, it must be all champagne. I'm a dad like Mark and Zane, heavyweight champion, so you know how to get Frank Warren on my album campaign. A lot of money's exchanging accounts. I'm talking about stupid amounts. All your checks are like a basketball. They bounce. You in the air like Michael Jordan. Better still, you man are like Rodman. Big shout to my brothers in Tottenham that love me like they love gaming content. Yo, it's Joseph, I get dough, bread, Hovis. Plus, me and my paper stick together like Stitcher and Otis. Yo, better know, boy, better know this. I bought an R6, got chased by the boy, never got shit. I got a smart dragon, so I sold it. Boy, better know it's the label I've already signed. I'm the reason anyone over 25 still listens to grime. Yeah, take that to heart, my ears burning, people talk in the yard. Nah, man, I don't like grime, but you see that guy Skepta, he's hard. Nah, you can't do it like me, part-time criminal, full-time MC.
Good in the clutch.
It's the way that I am with the women. I'm at every single dance that I've been in. Commercial artists still wanna grind hard. Sandwich feeling.
Zwei in smoke, he's gone out. Yes.
Short one, short. Short one, short.
Nice, Alpha.
Nice, bro.